What's up, you guys? It's Andrew, your Rockstar Realtor. I'm here to talk about the bullet points, kind of the highlights of what it is to buy a home, the step by step. So step one is to get approved. It's like not the funnest thing ever, but you basically talk to a lender and then they start getting information about your income, your debts, what it is that you have, and then they spit out a number of what you can basically afford for a loan. Once they get that, you send that to me, and then we start to go to work and we start looking around at what it is that you want. But not before we have a conversation about that wish list. We look at what you want. That's the fun thing. So we get to know a little bit about what is it excites you, how many bedrooms you want, square footage, all that good stuff. You got a dog, let's look for stuff with a yard. All that stuff matters, and I go through an entire survey, a standard survey, so that way we cover everything. One of those things on that survey is actually the monthly budget, something that I tend to bring up that most people tend to forget for whatever reason. And so that's important, of course. And now once we find your monthly budget, what you can afford, and what you want, we start to kind of merge those things and we find kind of a middle ground of what really makes sense in the market. And that is my job, to know the market, okay? And then basically from there, I start sending you stuff to your inbox of great homes, and you're most likely going to want to go walk through some of these homes, and that's where the fun begins. We get to see things, touch things, paint, look at the floors, square footage. That's typically where you start to narrow things down, and you really find things that you love and realize things that maybe you didn't like. Maybe you really don't want a chimney or something like that. That's cool. I modify that. That's my job. That's pretty normal and part of the process. Once we find a home that you really love, you tell me, hey, I love this home. What have I got to do to get it? We make an offer. It's also my job to know the market and to guide you through that and to make a competitive offer, a realistic offer. We send out that offer. If they accept it, we say yay, and that's where the fun really begins. That's where negotiations begin, inspections, all this stuff. Then we start to have a real conversation. Typically, there's a little give and take. If things go well, we get the house, we close, hand you the keys, and we start to help you to build equity, build net worth, and build on something that can leave a legacy for your family's family. Most people become millionaires by accident in the United States. It's because they're just simply a primary homeowner paying a mortgage. They don't even think about it. One morning they wake up and they're worth $1 million. And most of the time it's because they own a home, because they trusted a great realtor and a great team like I have to guide them through the process. And they typically will thank me years later. And it's something that feels really good to do to help people start building equity and start to build a huge future for themselves and for their family. So if you're looking to buy a home, I'm your guy. Shoot me a comment, shoot me a like, tell me what you love, what you didn't love, and I hope to help you guys soon. See you in the next video.